Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Joey here again, and today we're going to be doing yet another wig review, and this wig review is brought to you by Love Me Hair. But before we get started, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today we're going to be reviewing yet another headband wig from Love Me Hair, and we're going to be reviewing this beautiful unit that I'm currently wearing right now. So let me go ahead and pull the specs for you guys, and then we're going to go over what I thought about this wig. And just overall, just everything you need to know about this wig, sis. So yes, like I said, Love Me Hair was nice enough to send me this wig to review with my followers, and this is their headband wig. It's the loose, deep wave, affordable headband bob wig. So this wig pretty much, it comes with this haircut, the length that I'm wearing, I believe this is the 16-inch, if I'm correct. I believe this is the 16-inch, and this is the longest length that it comes in. It does come in 12, 14, and 16. So this one is definitely beginner friendly. So if it's one of your lazy hair days where you don't want to do much, sis, you can just go ahead and throw her on. And even if like you want to go out and look cute, you can still wear her as well. It's like it's really not a big deal. Like you could put on a nice little cute headband and stuff. You do get 5 headbands with these headband wigs that are stylish and different colors. I will be showing you guys the ones that I got, and I will not be modeling them in this video, but I do have some pictures that I'm going to insert in so that you guys can see, and also you guys can see different styles that I did put the wig in. So if you want to, you can put it in an updo, you can leave it like this, you can kind of like throw it to the side like how I did, and you can also take some baby hairs out, which I'm going to do that in this video. This is why I didn't take my baby hairs out and I got extra forehead. But yeah, I decided not to do that. What else can I tell you guys about this wig? So no glue, no lace, none of that, sis. You could just go ahead and put her on. You don't need to be a wig connoisseur or a hairstylist to do this. And you do get some combs inside for extra leverage. So this is 180 grams of hair. This is a loose, deep wave texture. The wig cap is a 22.5 inches standard medium, which is just the same size that you always get as well. And the hair does last a year. So here's the thing with the wig caps. I have discussed this in my other Love Me Hair videos. I feel like the wig cap isn't as big, I'll be honest with you guys, and I'm small headed. So it is pretty snugged on, like it's pretty tight. So I will say that I'm not really sure if they're ever gonna come out with a range that is a little bigger, because I have heard that the ranges aren't like super big. But I really do hope that they come out with more options, because there are some big-headed girls that do, of course, want to fit into these wigs a lot better. The texture on this hair is so soft. It's so shiny. It's great quality. It's really easy to detangle as well. This is actually the leave-in conditioner that I use. This is the Palmer's Moisture Boost leave-in conditioner, and I absolutely love this stuff. Palmer was nice enough to send me like the new line that they have. So this is definitely really nice for my wigs. I do just spray on just a little bit, and then what I do is I use my Hair Addiction brush, and this is a curl definition brush. This is really great for detangling. I will be putting the link below for the additional products that I use in this video. And yeah, this is what I pretty much use. And as you guys can see, it's just, the brush is just running really nice and smooth through the hair without me doing too much. And what I love about this leave-in conditioner is that it's also a great detangler. So if you need something like really quick, if you need a nice little refresher for your hair, this product is perfect. So now I'm gonna get into showing you guys just styling my little baby hairs. And as I do that, I will also be inserting the pictures of me wearing the different headbands. Well, actually, you know what? I won't do that. When I show you guys individually the headbands, I will show you what it looks like with me with the pictures that I took the other day. So the edge control that I'm gonna be using, this is the Hair Addiction edge control, and this is a no flake, no buildup edge control. So this is the edge control, and I think this is so cute. It's pink. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this on, and like I said, I will be putting the link below for some of these products that I'm using. And they also sent me a baby hair brush as well, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. And also shop Hair Addiction, you guys, please, because you will be supporting a Black owned business as well. Let me actually zoom in so you guys can see me styling these baby hairs. So let's actually zoom in. So as you guys can see, no flakes, nice and shiny. Nice and shiny. There we go. Then I'm going to take a little bit more of the product. And then I'm going to take a little bit more, and I'm just going to go ahead and press some more on right here, and boom. And I'm also going to do my sideburns just a little bit. Press a little bit on my sideburns. I like using the comb side of the baby hair brush to kind of like lay the product down and then go in. Super cute. And then I'm going to do this side. I'm going to grab a little bit more of the edge control, and I'm going to go ahead and boom. Perfect, you guys. I absolutely love the hold on this edge control. It's really nice and sleek, and like I said, it leaves a beautiful shine while protecting my edges as well. Make sure that you definitely check out Hair Addiction, because they do have also hair growth oils, which are perfect for protective hairstyles. Like if you're gonna go ahead and put on a wig, I love using the hair oils. And I do also have a reel on my Instagram where I'm demonstrating the oils, so make sure that you guys check them out. But see how simple that is, how pretty, really nice. And I feel like this wig is so perfect for the summer. It's short, it's not too long, it's not too much hair, and you can go to the pool with it on, sis. You can go to the gym. You can do so many different things with this wig. So let's get into the headbands that they also sent me. So here are some of the headbands that they sent me. I actually am missing one of the headbands because I was using it the other day on a client when I was doing makeup, and you know, I just wanted to kind of lay her hair back, not to show her hair in the videos. So I am missing that one, but I do have some pictures with it on, which is the gray one. But I have this beautiful yellow one, which is perfect for the summertime. A lot of these headband wigs, I mean, a lot of like the headband wigs that I get, they always come like with patterned headbands. So it's kind of refreshing to get ones that are more on the solid side. So we have a yellow one right here. Then we have a kind of mauve color one. This is the mauve colored one. I'm not really sure if I took a picture with this one, but this is a mauve colored one, which I've gotten this color before when I've gotten one of the headband wigs from Love Me Hair. I also have a pink one. I find this one so adorable. This is a nice little baby pink one. And also a tie-dye one, which I don't believe I took a picture with this one. But this is the tie-dye one. I'll actually throw that one on real quick. It doesn't match my outfit, but I'll try it on real quick for you guys. And also, as I'm showing you guys the pictures, I'm also showing you different hairstyles that you could achieve with your headband wig as well. So as you guys could see, this is the tie-dye one. Okay. And then one more thing that I did want to touch on, like when it comes to the headband wigs. So there's actually a group on Facebook, which I'm going to link it below if you're ever interested in joining the group, so that you guys get more information on wigs, so that you can see different people that have bought the wigs and that have tried them, tips on how to take care of your wigs and all of that. I did have somebody ask, how do I put my wigs on in an updo and keep them like in the updo? So I didn't really have a precise answer for that, but there was somebody that offered some advice, and they did say that the best thing to do is to actually tie the Velcro part of the wig, which I'm going to take the wig off real quick so you guys can see what I mean. But actually tying that a little tighter so that your wig has more leverage. And of course, please put your combs on because you don't want the wig falling. I can definitely understand why the person asked. And it's just because a lot of times with headband wigs, especially if they're longer, it may, like, the weight of the hair may just like slump over the updo, or it may have the updo fall, like just the wig itself just fall off your head. But if you do that, and also with some help of a bobby pin, you can also achieve that look as well without it falling to the side or anything like that. So let me actually show you guys real quick. I'm going to take the wig off so you guys can see the inside of the wig. So you do get a headband with a Velcro, and like I said, when you do want to do the updos, you kind of just want to tie this so that it's extra tight on your head. And then you do get 4 combs. So you get 2 on the side, you get 1 at the top that you're going to put right up here, and then you get 1 in the back for extra leverage. And so, like I said, sis, you're not going to need to glue anything on. You just basically just go ahead and put the wig on, just like I'm about to right now. So I like to take the straps off. I kind of like to invert my wig like this, and then just go ahead and plop her on. And the best thing about wigs like this too is that you don't necessarily have to like braid your hair into cornrows or have somebody braid your hair into cornrows. Like, you can just simply braid your hair. You can just simply braid your hair into 2 braids and call it a day, and you should be fine, sis. Like, you know, you should be fine. You don't have to really do much. And so that is about it, you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you to Love Me Hair for sending me this wig to review for you guys. I will be putting all the details below on this wig, and I will also be putting the link where you can purchase this wig. I will also be putting the link that I mentioned for the group that you guys can join on Facebook, so that you can keep in touch with different customers that have bought wigs from Love Me Hair, from other influencers that have gotten wigs from Love Me Hair, and just to, you know, learn tips on how to take care of your wigs. Also, I will be linking below all the additional products that I used in this video. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me either down below or follow me on Instagram at Peralta Knows Best. And sis, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so, go ahead and subscribe. I will see you guys soon.